we're joined with Nicki Sun. Hello, welcome!
Hi! And welcome to TechNicki speaking by Nicki Sun. Nicki Sun here to talk about the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. The best part. A PC so custom, it has my logo on it.
Samsung reached out and I was able to create my directorial debut.
NAB show spokesperson, Nicki Sun.
Would you do it again?
For sure.
Heartbeat.
You're zooming in on me. And at the same time, I have no director or cameraman.
Right now, you're like Asian Daenerys in my mind.
I've always been the mother of cameras.
I'm surprised I still fit it.
When other women see us in front of the camera, they're inspired to do it too.
Let's go.
Nicki's an amazing entrepreneur / content creator / female director / cinematographer / Asian ambassador.
She's talking about choosing the right camera for the job.
Woo!
If one person says seeing you do this inspires me to even get into the field, that makes my day. I've done my job.